Do you want to make your home the smartest haunted house on the block? Home improvement and lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery has tips to share from her own haunted smart house.
The holidays are here. Let's get festive and decorate at home. It makes us feel good, and let's use smart home technology to help us out. Let's start with smart plugs. I love smart plugs because you can plug a smart plug into any outlet, and then whatever you plug into that smart plug automatically becomes a smart home device. So think about it. Appliances, light fixtures, holiday decor. The nice thing is then you can control it via your smart device. You can set different schedules. If you forgot to turn it on or off, it doesn't matter where you are. You've got it right there at your fingertips, and you can control it with your voice. Echo, turn off Halloween. Oh, I love it when she obeys. Now check out these full color smart light strips. They're so easy to install. There's just some 3M adhesive right there on the back. There's a million different colors. You can put it around your doorway, around your window, around your television, and you can create a cool ambiance. You got a creepy Halloween movie, put the orange. You've got over 1 million colors to choose from that you got there right there at your fingertips, and you can also control via your voice. Now let's talk about our light bulbs. We use them every day. Why not let them get in on the holiday fun? These full color smart bulbs have, again, 1 million different colors. What I love is no hub is required. You just screw it right in, download the app. Everything is controlled right there. When the holidays are over, they do have just the regular, you can go from a daylight, that bright invigorating light you want in the kitchen, or that soft white, what you want in the bedroom. Even dimmability is built right into it. So these are all C by GE. You can sync them all together and have them help you decorate and celebrate the holidays, and also use them every day, which I love. So we might as well get a little sound into our holidays, right? Music is everything. Let's get it right there from our light bulb. I mean, the quintessential Halloween song, right? I love this LED Plus by GE because it's a light bulb. It's got dimmability built right into it. As you've heard, it's got a speaker function built into it. I can control it with this remote, so no hub, no downloading anything, and I can sync up to 10 of them, so I can truly get that surround sound experience. So go into a Lowe's aisle and check all this stuff out, and you can play with all of this stuff and get the holidays going. So now that everything's bright and festive, let's carve our pumpkins. Let's use the technology of lithium ion batteries to get it done. Lithium ion batteries have really revolutionized power tools because they last a long time. The tools now are so portable though, and lightweight and built to last. They've got, a lot of them have brushless motors. So what I did here is I hollowed out the bottom of my pumpkin, took out all of the guts, as you can see, using my lithium ion drill. Then you create a really cool pattern on there that you can transform, put a little light in there, and you're done. It's a cool new artistic way to decorate your pumpkins using the power of lithium ion. For more information on all these great products and more great tips, go to BeTheBestHome.com.
This segment of It's About You was sponsored by PR Media.
You know that saying, the days are long, but the years are short. Well, it's not just about raising children. It's also about your work life.